Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Oscar and I'm back again with another video. Yes sir. In today's video I'm gonna be doing a light USDZAR back testing. I mean, I had a friend who told me to like help him back test USDZAR. So then I thought, let me make a video of this because USDZAR is actually a volatile pair. It's as volatile as the other pairs that I trade, but slightly more volatile, yeah. And I think it has become my favorite pair since. So I thought I should like back test it with you guys and then see what's going on. If you like the video, hit that like button. Spam the word more content. Spam 2 words, more content down in the comment section. Run it up. Oh, and please share the video. Yeah, hit that notification bell. Without any further ado, I want to see, let's get into the video. But before we get into it, hit the like button, please. Okay, yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna start with USDZAR. I'm gonna enter. By the way, I'm currently cheating on my phone because my PC had a crash. Yeah, but like all made recently, they've all been on my phone. All the videos that I've created recently, all of them, almost all of them have been on my phone. Okay, so we first start on the 1 hour time frame. This is where we start. This is where we start on the 1 hour. Okay, let me just do this. Where is it? 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 Or excuse me. I think I'm tripping right now. Yeah, here it is. I was tripping for a minute. Okay, I just want to create like space on my chart so that you can maneuver around easily. Okay, what do we first start with? We first want to see what is happening in here. And as you can see, we've had a bit of like a consolidation on this level over here. We've had a bit of a consolidation which has been a problem for a minute, but that shouldn't get in our way of finding a trade. Okay, that consolidation, we want to highlight the consolidation so that we can all clearly see that price has been consolidating. Price has been consolidating for quite some time. We want to see breaks side or to the downside, but that is if we are scalping. If we're scalping, then we can trade within this we can trade within the consolidation, meaning we just follow the direction of the market on lower time frames. That's how simple it is. Okay, now that we found what price has been doing, we move down to a lower time frame. Moving down to a lower time frame, what do we see? We see another zone over here. We see another support zone over here. We see a support zone where price retested the first time and looks like it's coming back there for the second time. Let us just highlight that part. Let's just highlight it. Okay, yes, it has been highlighted. Price has approached that level. It's the second time price is approaching that level. What we want to see there is a break because we already have something like a flag. We already have this. Let me show you. We already have some sort of flag that price has broken. I'm not really good at the price action name thingy. So yeah, but this is a flag. Looks like a flag. I'm not good at the names, but I know what every structure tells. I know the story behind every structure, so I just forget the names. Okay, because I haven't like focused on the names when I was learning. I don't really focus on the names. I was too focused on the information that's inside. Okay, anyway, we see that price has broken. Price broke the trend line. Now we're waiting for price to break the support and turn it into resistance. Previous support, recent resistance. That's what you're looking for. So you're looking for price to break here, come back up, and then go down to that level, back to our initial support level. Because remember, price is consolidating. So if price is consolidating, we're looking, if we are scalping, we are looking for the roof and the floor. That's what we're looking for. Price gets to the roof, we look to hit the floor. Price gets to the floor, we look to jump to the roof. That's all we look at, because we are consolidating. So we can't really look at other things. We are consolidating. Price already hit the roof over here twice actually. So I wouldn't consider that I wouldn't consider that a double touch, but it looks clean. Looks clean. Looks clean. But we do want price to break this level over here. This is a very important level for price to break. We want price to break that level there. Let me just highlight that so that we can know what we're looking at. I want price to break that level there, and then we can like properly look for ourselves, because that is the important part. Okay, now we move down to the 15-minute time frame. Moving on to the 15-minute time frame. What do we see on the 15-minute? We don't really see much. Don't really see much, but we do see a lot of volume that happened previously, which is here. There's a lot of volume here. There's a lot of volume that came with this candlestick over here. Let me do this. A lot of volume that came with this candlestick over here. So yeah, now we're looking at volume. There's a lot of volume here. And if you go down to the 1 time frame, you're gonna see that price is actually consolidating in that area. Let's see what's happening. 1 minute time frame. What we see here is that price is okay. It is making lower lows, but it recently just made a higher high, which is over here. This high is higher than this one, and this one, and this one. So yeah, it recently just made again a new high, but it was making lower lows. We were having lows, but here we had like a consolidation thingy, and then if you continue it, it's kind of a support line. Price broke over here, so I could believe that that is why I didn't want us to enter here, and why I wanted us to wait for price to first break here and then go down. Price should first break there, because now it's kind of, I also don't know that I'm also not sure of the direction when price is moving like this, because there's confirmations on both sides. There's buy confirmations, there's sell confirmations. You get, but I don't really trust the low time frames like that. I just use them to like find entries. But I just wanted to show you all this consolidation, this whole consolidation over here. That's what I wanted to show you guys, but I don't really focus on the 1 minute that much. Maybe the 5 minute, yeah, I would find structure on the 5 minute, which is not really telling me a lot. If I was an SMC trader, probably would have taken a few things into consideration, like this order block over here, probably would have taken that into consideration. But I am not an SMC trader, and I stick to my setup. Not that I'm not an SMC trader. One thing about me, how I trade, is that I use multiple strategies to find my entry. Yet I don't just go in and enter from off of like one strategy. I might highlight this order block. I'm just making an example. I might highlight this order block, highlight it, and then use it as like confirmation for my entry. If maybe my whole setup was giving me a buy signal, I would use that order block as like my entry. Yeah, I used to be highly invested in like order blocks and stuff back then, but I just no, and then right now I just use them for confirmation. That's what I do. I just use them for entry, for confirmation. Yeah, it's no longer as deep as before. I don't use them as much as I did before. I don't use that strategy as much as I did before. But I do look at things like imbalances, fair value gaps. Those I do look at. I don't really like But I do look at them. I do look at them because they are highly important. Those are where prices like usually reverse at. Yeah. I use them to find entries or to know when to get out of a trade. You get. So yeah, now you're just waiting for price to either break here, retest, and then go down, giving us a clean downtrend. Giving us a clean downtrend. Yeah. Or you can wait for price to break. You can wait for something like this, and then wait for price to break here, retest that level. Maybe there will be an imbalance there. I'll use that as confirmation, and then price will tap into that imbalance, and then I enter. You get. So this is my scenario for USDZAR. This is what I'm looking for. A break to the upside, looking for buys. Break to the downside, looking for sells. It's as simple as that. I don't like to complicate things, and you get. I just go. Simplicity is the best, honestly. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. That is it for today. You have reached the final part of the video. So you can tell me what you think of the video down in the comment section. I really appreciate y'all watching until the end. I hope it was useful. I hope the video was helpful to you guys in whatever way. If it wasn't, tell me what to add, tell me what to remove. Yeah, I'm here for you, you here for me. Let's help each other here. So yeah, please go check out my other videos. I promise you won't regret it. I promise you won't regret it. And yeah, till next time.